Do you want to get rid of the scratches on what used to be your new shiny watch? Well, today I'm going to show you how you can do it yourself and why you probably shouldn't. I'm going to use this Cape Cod polishing cloth to polish the case of this Vostok komandirskie. I've ordered this small bag containing 2 polishing cloths, but you can also buy a tin full of these. Before you start, you must be aware of the consequences of you polishing your watch, and maybe ask yourself if it's really necessary. Improper polishing can decrease the value of your watch, so if you see your Rolex watch as an investment, for example, you should rather keep your hands off that oyster bracelet. If you, like me, have a more affordable watch that you've already modified, etc., then go for it. I have tried to round off the edges of the case, so now I have to polish the brass to get back that shine it once had. And my SKX here, yeah, I like it how it is, not touching that. Let's also look at the directions here on the back of the packaging. So rub tarnished objects gently, for tough jobs rub harder. Yeah, I guess that makes sense. Buff dry with soft, absorbent cloth or paper towel. Do not try to wash, polish off. Polish must be buffed off, okay. Cloths may be used over and over, however discolored. Okay, that's nice. Return cloth to foil packet after use. Should cloth become dry, a few drops of mineral spirits or vegetable oil will revitalize. Plated surfaces. Rub very gently on plated surfaces. Not recommended for use on thinly plated objects. You gotta keep that in mind if you have, for example, one of these Vostok komandirskies with that are brass but with silver plating on them. Mine is just exposed brass, so it doesn't matter. Not intended for brushed stainless steel or other brushed metals. Yeah, you gotta keep this in mind. You can completely ruin your watch if you try to polish a brushed surface. So please do not do that. Silverware and platters. After buffing dry, you may wash with mild detergent and dry without reducing shine or protection. Okay. And also, please don't eat this stuff. I guess you probably won't, but keep it away from children or whatever. Or your dog. Yeah, I think that could be a problem. Keep it away from animals. Let's do it. First mistake I made was not to wear gloves. Trust me, you should, as the scent of the polishing cloth is very hard to get rid of, even though it says that it's a pleasant smell. Also, cover your table or working space with some newspaper, for example. Only thing I can say about the polishing cloth itself is that it works, and the rounded edge on my Vostok ended up looking great. Very shiny. But it took much longer than what I expected. Unfortunately, I didn't manage to properly polish the vertical side of the case, so I guess rounder surfaces are easier. I tried polishing both directly by hand, but also by putting the cloth on the table and then rubbing my watch on it. Still, I am happy with what I managed to achieve, and I will try again later to get it perfected. I will review my Vostok soon, so I'll have to get it done by then. If you don't want to miss that, subscribe to my channel. Also, by leaving a comment, you help my channel a lot, so thanks to all of you. See you next time, here again on Timeheim.